Hmm. So I woke up few minutes back. The time is somewhere around 10:43. Hmm. Uh, Yesterday, no one had clue that what's happening, and scam racket duped in their 300 crore rupees of income which they made from scam. They had no clue. I'll tell you the what stuff happened. I went to the police procedure. It got exposed that my name is Yogendra Nikade and some ID fraud was spreading lies that his name is Yogendra Nikade because of file forensic shoots up my name. Hmm? Then look, I went through so much trouble, so I have to drop them some trouble and then I have to come back. So when I hit into their prostitution racket, I kept my cellular into the moped, which I always know they have a clone keys and they open my moped. Hmm? So they open the moped, use my cellular for 4 minutes. Camera app is used for 4 minutes. Hmm? And while I was in their prostitution racket. So I have to go into their prostitution racket and I have to say that it's not happening or it's what do you call it? It happened too quick. I have to see someone and I have to stay away from my moped. So I cannot be two different places at one single time. So the one who has the clone keys and the one who knows the password of this cellular opens the moped and uses camera, right? But this cellular phone is bought from Vijay's sales, same as Dell in 2014. Same as Dell in 2014. And I cannot be at two different places at the same time. So the clone was making nude with a prostitute, and at the same time, this phone was being used outside where the moped was parked. And somewhere 2 10:30 somewhere after that I went further, then I stopped into a petrol pump and there I spoke with my brother, so I kept it a record.